Welcome back. President Trump posted a message on social media confirming CBS News reporting that he has asked Representative Elise Stefanik to stay in Congress rather than serve as his ambassador to the United Nations. Stefanik is part of the House leadership, and Republicans are looking to hang on to their slim majority there.
Now, this comes as a new round of mass layoffs was announced at the federal agency tasked with keeping Americans healthy. Erica Brown has more details from the White House.
President Trump has asked Representative Elise Stefanik to stay in Congress and withdraw her nomination for U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations.
I was surprised. I think Representative Stefanik may well have served successfully as ambassador to the UN, certainly from the perspective of the Trump administration.
With the GOP holding a razor-thin majority in the House, Trump says every Republican seat is essential to advance his agenda.
Our numbers are tight after the Florida elections. Hopefully we pick up 2 more seats. It's always going to be a tight majority.
As the president considers other potential nominees for UN ambassador, he's also pushing ahead with his efforts to slash the size of the government. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. took to social media Thursday to announce mass layoffs within the department.
As part of President Trump's DOGE workforce reduction initiative, we're going to streamline HHS to make our agency more efficient and more effective.
The department is cutting 20,000 employees from its payroll. That's nearly a quarter of the entire agency. HHS officials say about half of those workers took buyouts or early retirement. The cuts include 3,500 workers at the Food and Drug Administration, 2,400 at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and 300 staffers at the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services.
When you fire people who provide Medicare and Medicaid, that is the same as a benefit cut. When you fire people who prevent the spread of diseases like measles, America will get sicker.
The White House says the HHS cuts will save $1.8 billion.
The layoffs at the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are expected to trim roughly 20% of staff members at those agencies.
Vice President